Around 60% of Nepal's land area and approximately 80% of its population are constantly at risk of disasters like earthquakes, floods, landslides, lightning, and fires. To address this, since 2017, the Nepal Preparedness Partnership (NPP), supported by the Asian Disaster Preparedness Center (ADPC), has been implementing a phased approach to strengthen community-based disaster preparedness and response. Led by the Disaster and Conflict Management Division of the Ministry of Home Affairs, in collaboration with local governments and the National Disaster Risk Reduction Center Nepal, the initiative fosters multi-sectoral engagement to build resilience and reduce disaster risks. Under this framework, the first phase, 2017 to 2019, involved a comprehensive assessment of the disaster situation across 30 districts of Nepal, along with the evaluation of the capacities of humanitarian organizations operating in those areas. This phase was followed by awareness-raising and capacity-building activities on various disasters, including lightning. Building on the first phase's assessment and analysis, the second phase, 2020 to 2022, was implemented in partnership with local governments of Chitwan District, Ratnanagar Municipality, Kalika Municipality, Khoireni Municipality, Madi Municipality, Rapti Municipality, Icha Kamna Rural Municipality, and Bharatpur Metropolitan City, focusing on enhancing the capacities of local governments, identifying local disaster risk areas, and supporting disaster and climate resilience planning and policy development. The project introduced multi-stakeholder partnership programs aimed at strengthening local-level disaster preparedness and response. These programs fostered effective collaboration among diverse stakeholders, facilitating the implementation of disaster risk reduction and preparedness initiatives. To enhance local disaster resilience, the project conducted capacity-building activities for local officials and communities, developed laws and policies, and worked to institutionalize and mainstream disaster management. It also promoted gender equality, disability, and social inclusion (JETSI), and ensured that information reached targeted groups. The efforts collectively laid a strong foundation for both national and regional partnerships in disaster risk management. Building on the achievements of the first two phases, the third phase, 2024 to 2026, was launched to ensure sustainability and scale up through inclusive participation and community engagement. As stated in the Constitution of Nepal, local governments have the sole authority for disaster management and are primarily responsible for ensuring sustainable, resilient development and protecting lives, property, and natural resources within their jurisdictions. Therefore, strengthening the resources, skills, and capacities of local governments and communities is essential for effective disaster management. This phase initiated efforts to strengthen forecast-based and locally-led early warning systems (FBAWS) for at-risk communities and adopted community-based disaster risk management (CBDRM) approaches to enhance their ability to cope with disasters. Training has been provided to local government representatives, municipal staff, and community leaders to establish and strengthen emergency operations centers (EOCs), enhance disaster management information systems, and advance community-based disaster management through local participation. First responders, including local municipal police, disaster focal persons, and community volunteers, have been trained in coordination with the Armed Police Force Disaster Management Training School to build skilled volunteers capable of responding to small-scale disasters. In parallel, dialogues have been conducted at the provincial and national levels, focusing on the roles of policymakers, the private sector, and civil society in integrating disaster risk management into development planning. Additionally, programs have been carried out to raise community knowledge and awareness and to strengthen preparedness and response capacities at the local level. The learning experiences and effective practices achieved from this project demonstrated clear potential for scaling such programs to other at-risk local levels. If the successful disaster management practices implemented in the local levels of Chitwan district are extended across local government throughout the country, the loss of lives and property in future disasters could be significantly minimized.